So here we go, this is how we'll have it. So if we're gonna go do some lanes, we will tuck them in. Maybe we can tuck them all the way in. Yes. So here we have the Himalayan, and we have got my package that I've been waiting on all the way from China via Temu, which is the rear mirror. So why are we doing this? We are doing these, what these are foldable like mirrors, so you can fold them in. So when you're going out on your green lane in and you're wondering what's going on, this should theoretically be able to fold in and get them out of the way. So we're going to install them and see how they look and see how they fit. So, spanners out. Do we mount the bike properly? I think we should. Right. Oh, it's a 14. Get rid of them. There we go. This is a 14. Oh. Got some additional bits here, so they don't fit. Should be okay. And we're going to say that this one is this one, even though they look the same. They're the same. We're just going to have to mess about with it a bit. Oh, why are you going in, you piece of crap? Oh, don't you hate your life? Oh, they've got adapters. Hold your horses. Comes with everything. I was getting all stressed out then. So we've got lots of different options. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry, Mr. Temu. I was getting cross with you for no reason. Oh, it doesn't want to go in. So that's going lefty-loosey. So there we go, righty-tighty. Oh, this one is lefty-tighty. I thought it was bloody the wrong way. Right, there we go. Now we've got our adapters in that came supplied with the product. We can move on to spinning these on. And the reason why these didn't fit is because it's got a slightly different thread. This one's going on better on this one, so we're going to keep that one and say that that one is that one. And then this one, which I hope you haven't busted. It will go. We just may need to use some grips of life. Of course you're going to hit everything. Get out of the way. Let's just go in. I mean, don't tell me it's going to go the wrong way as well. I mean, it might do. That could have been my problem the whole bloody time. It's not very good. Bit of a crappy cut on that anyway. Tap and die. It's supposed to be a 5-minute job. He has to pull out the tap and die set because the threads are not the best. And then we've got to find which one it is. An M10. If it's not an M10, it is now. I wasn't supposed to get my hands dirty today. Oh yeah, we're definitely cutting ourselves a new thread. Oh, this just worked. It's not just span on it. I'm gonna try it. With our newly cut thread. Ugh! Just imagine that never happened. Right, so there we go. Just spin this on. Just like that. Then we use the spanner that I think we dropped on the floor. Yep. No, that's a 13. Where the hell's the 14 gone? No, it's in my pocket. Of course it is. It's always in your bloody pocket. Right. Tighten that up. Yeah, that's done up. That's done up, and then that's still spinning a bit, but that's good. Right. Now we derobe them. Best packaging ever. Well, I don't know if that wasn't recording at all for any of it. If that's the case, I've been facing the wrong camera the entire time because the camera's over here. So, we've just put the mirrors on. You've not seen any of it. Excellent. So when we look, we can sort of adjust them to how we want them. So here we go, this is how we'll have it. So if we're gonna go do some lanes. We will tuck them in. Maybe we can tuck them all the way in. Yes. Like that, out the way. And then if we want to use them, however we want them to be, we undo them and we put them there, like that. That's pretty cool. I think that's pretty good. Happy with my little purchase. Have to test it out on some lanes, so stay tuned for some vlogging on some lanes. I don't know if this worked or not. We'll have a look. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.